very important day after the inauguration of the WOW plant. This is something very important what is taking place here. First thing was we have inaugurated a ETP, that is the effluent treatment plant. Next we have inaugurated or rather launched the shredder, wherein dry branches, whether it is your coconut shell or trees that are cut or other waste material, will be shredded into thin pieces. This machine was very much required. Third thing, of course, which you are seeing right here is the forklift, which we have been given under CSR by Goa Shipyard Limited. I think I have to be very thankful to the Managing Director, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Brajesh Upadhyay, for having given us this help as his social responsibility to society. I think if everybody comes forward like this, I think it is going to be a wonderful thing that can happen to society. I would like to thank Mr. Kamli, who has come as his representative, and I want him to convey my due thanks to the MD and all the other employees or his officers who work alongside him, who even had visited my office to make this happen. For me personally, आज खूप आनंदाचो दीस आहा, कित्याक जायते आमी इनॉग्रेशना करता, जायते आमी वर्क्स लॉन्च करता, पूण हें करता तेन्ना म्हाका खूब आनी खूब आनंद जाता, कित्याक कचरो सगळ्यांच्या जिवितान आसा. कचरो सारको हँडल करपा जाय. वी ऑल जनरेट गार्बेज. सायंटिफिकली ते कशें मॅनेज करपाचें, दॅट इज द चॅलेंज. आनी आज आमचे चिकाली पंचायतीन आमी हें दाखोवन दिल्लो आसा मार्ग कशें हें करपा जाता तें अंडर स्वच्छ भारत मिशन. आमचे सरपंच बाब कमला प्रसाद यादव आहा तेजे खाला, तशेंच बाय ऐश्वर्या आसा डेप्युटी सरपंच, आनी बाकीचे सगळे पंच वांगडी तेंचे बरोबर आमचे बाब प्रसिद्ध नाईक जे म्हाजे वतीन सगळे हे मॅनेज करता अलॉंग विथ ऑल द ऑफिशियल्स. आय थिंक इट इज समथिंग व्हेरी गुड दॅट हॅज हॅपन्ड, विच गिव्स मी मोर प्लेजर दॅन एनी अदर वर्क. तेजे बरोबर बाब गौरव खोकले आहा. He is the person running this. I think only when you have a passion to do something for society, these things can be put in place. And it is my passion to bring about cleanliness. I want Dabolim to become the cleanest constituency in whole of Goa. So people want to copy us. They want to do what we have done. Like they are doing as far as Joggers Park is concerned. They are doing as far as our WOW plant is concerned. Don't forget, we have thought about all these things very carefully. नाल्यार हिंगा टँकर येवपाचे, तुगे स्वेज उदीक येता तें परत मागीर तें निवड जाता आनी टँकर पत्त्यो जॉगर्स पार्कां उदक घेवन वचपाचें. आमी डायरेक्ट पायपलायन केला, म्हणजे एक प्रॉब्लेमूच दुसरेच भाशेन आमी सोल्युशन काडलेलें आसा, व्हेरी प्रॅक्टिकल सोल्युशन. दीज आर गोइंग टू बी द गेम चेंजर्स टू मेक दीस WOW प्लांट रन एफिशियंटली, in a very professional manner, and generating income, wealth out of waste. आमी म्हणटा कचरो म्हणल्यार पयशे घालपा जाय, निवडसाण करपा, कोट्यांनी पयशे मोडपा जाय. दॅट इज द ओल्ड थिंग ऑफ एस्टर इयर्स. वी हॅव शोन हाव वी कॅन ट्रान्सफॉर्म थिंग्स. आनी हें जें केलां, हांव परत सांगपा सोदतां तुज्या माध्यमांतसून की हें जाता म्हाजे सगळे कार्यकर्ता तांकां लागून. हांगा ही उपस्थिती पळयल्यार ते उर्बा दिता म्हाका हें काम करपाक. म्हाजे सगळे ऑफिस स्टाफ आसा म्हाका मदत करता. इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स आहा पंचायतींनी, तशेंच म्युन्सिपालिटीचे, हे सगळे म्हाका उर्बा दिता. तेंचो सपोर्ट आहा म्हूण हांव करपाक शकता. हांव केन्नाच एकटो श्रेय घेवपाक सोदना. बिकॉज दे सपोर्ट मी व्हेरी व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंगली, आय एम एबल टू डू ऑल दीस, एंड देर इज मच मोर टू डू. दिस इज अ अनफिनिश्ड टास्क. I want to thank the Komdad of Chikalim specially. All this was impossible if they had not given me land. Two wonderful things that have happened here. एक आहा म्हणल्यार आमचे जॉगर्स पार्क. Everyone today compliments that. It would have been a simple open space otherwise shown, because they had developed their plots, but they allowed me at that point of time to convert it into a park.